Well, good afternoon, folks. Welcome to Buddy Bus. My name's John. Carol's not with me at the moment. She's busy in the kitchen making apple pies. We've had tons of apple given us this week and she needs to get them in the freezer. So, apologies from Carol. This short video is to do with the Overlander show and just a short drone flight over the ground and a walk around the stalls. We didn't do too much videoing because we spent a lot of the time around the motorhome meeting subscribers and new subscribers. To those that we couldn't hand out stickers to and you've gave us your address, the stickers have been posted, so hopefully by now you've got them. I'd like to thank you for your following us and your subscription. Please always remember to give us a like and put a comment below. We had one upset on the Friday night. The YouTubers that were there will understand what happened. We had a fire on Friday evening to keep warm, and we had a gathering of a few people, including the African rally team, and we had a real good night until a gentleman came over and said, could he get warm by our fire? We wouldn't turn anyone away, and we said yes, by all means, sit down. But unfortunately he started sniffing butane gas out of his lighter almost immediately, and within minutes he was out of his head. The African rally team and myself tried to get rid of the gentleman out of the YouTube area before midnight, but unfortunately we couldn't get him out of the chair. He was just total dead weight, and by 4 o'clock in the morning we were still struggling with him. He wouldn't keep quiet. He was shouting at the top of his voice. He didn't seem to care about anybody. So the African rally team did stay with me until 4:30, where we had to call security, and security removed him from the area, and the following day banned him from the showground. I did go around on the Saturday morning and apologise to the fellow YouTubers, because he did disturb a lot of people, and quite a few of them was there with children. They all understood and said it wasn't down to Carol and I, but at the end of the day it was our pitch, and I did invite him to sit down. So it was down to me, and once again I do apologise to everybody that was disturbed. It was not something I would accept myself, and I'm grateful that you understood and accepted my apology. So please sit back and enjoy the video. Like I say, it's only a short one. A flight over the drone flight, a drone flight over the show, and a walk around the stalls and some of the trucks. So stick with us to the end. I hope you enjoy. Catch you in a bit.
indah malamig ang
I climb so high that I jump straight down. I take a breath and kiss the ground. I feel my mind washed over my soul. Left fear behind, lost all control.
In a wind-up mode.
Well folks, thanks for sticking to the end. Once again, I'd like to thank all our subscribers for sticking with us over this year, and a welcome to our new subscribers. We've had a few of you, and a few of you said you'll subscribe once you get the stickers come through, which is fair comment. I hope you do. So all that's left for me to say is take care, stay safe, and as you guess, most of all, happy travelling to you all. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.